charging a customer on the Fanbasis platform. Let's get started. Follow the steps till the end so you don't miss any important point. First, log into your Fanbasis account. Once logged in, navigate to the payment section from the left menu. Click on Create Manual Charge or New Invoice to start the process. Next, you will need to enter the customer's detail. You can either select an existing customer from the list or add a new customer by entering their name and email. Charge amount, enter the amount to be billed. Select the appropriate currency for the transaction, add a description of the service or product provided. If necessary, you can also apply a tax rate or a discount to adjust the total charge. And at last, set a due date for payment. Choose how the customer can pay, by credit card, by bank transfer, or digital wallet. Double check all the details you have entered to make sure everything is accurate. Once confirmed, click on Create and Send Invoice. Once sent, Fanbasis will track when the customer views and pays the invoice. Your dashboard will automatically update with the payment status. And that's how you manually charge a customer on Fanbasis. Thank you.